Hey guys, this is Dave Welch. How you doing? Um, uh, I noticed the markets were down today, a pretty good percentage point. However, my ARK Genomics um, ETF is has been buying like crazy. What you'll see is, and I'm going to put this on the side of the screen, either this side or this side. I'm not sure how. I use iMovie to make my videos, and I'm kind of a novice at it. So one of these days, I'm going to upgrade my video editing software. And so the ARK Genomics Fund, and I took an image of this, and I'm going to share it on the screen. At the top of the list, okay, I was looking at a different list. I'm actually looking at the ARK website now, and so these are the top 10 holdings as of today, close of business. Pacific Biosciences is at the top of the list, followed by Teladoc. CRISPR Therapeutics is third. Twist Bioscience Corp is fourth. CareDx is fifth. Iovance Biotherapeutics is the next one. Invitae, Exact Sciences Corp, Fate Therapeutics, and then Regeneron Pharmaceuticals to end up the top 10. With that, I've got an email notification, which I'll share. This is their ARK trading desk. They picked up a bunch of shares today. So ARK bought Berkeley Lights. They bought 12,258 shares, which is those number of shares is 0.01% of the fund of the ETF. Then they bought 31 or almost 32,000 shares of Viva Systems for a 0.11% of the ETF. They picked up almost 100,000 at 97,892 shares of Teladoc for a 0.25% of the ETF. They picked up a whole bunch of Roche Holdings shares and I'm really having to use my bifocals here, 165,000 shares. And then Regeneron Pharmaceuticals was another buy at 25,566 shares. And then Novartis was another buy. Every trade in the ARK Genomics was a buy. They did not sell anything today out of their fund. Now, the other funds had some sells, like ARKG sold some of Exxon, and I believe Exxon is at the bottom of their list anyway, so they're probably going to get, they either sold all of their shares or they're looking to. And that's just my guess. I don't know if that's actually what they're doing. So, and then what's other sell? They sold some shares from ARKQ, which I own. So far I own all these three funds. I own ARK Genomics, ARK K, which is Innovation Fund, and then I own ARKQ, which is robotics, technology, autonomous technology and robotics. So yeah, I've got paperwork everywhere. They sold some Splunk shares, some FLIR shares, and they sold some Unity software shares out of ARKW, but I do not own ARKW. And I think the reason I don't own that is because it has some commodities in it or currencies in it. And I don't invest in commodities or currencies because they don't do work. They just sit there and either appreciate or just depreciate. To me, it's very much like gambling. And yes, I like to gamble. My favorite game is blackjack. But when I'm dealing with my retirement, I'm not going to gamble with it until I actually retire, which is at least 16 years from now. So yeah, you'll be seeing me at the casino in Las Vegas. Anyway, so I just wanted to do a quick update here, and these are the trading activities. I put them on the screen, either here or here. So you'll see in which way. So have a great day. I'm recording this on my iPad, so I need to look at the camera. So You guys have a great day. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. So please consult with your financial advisor or stockbroker. All right, take care.